Nkwamma, 34. The Atlantic, between the Canary Islands and the coast of Mauritania. Day 11 of 14. The vessel is called Esperanza, hope in Spanish. Nobody finds that funny. Her bunk, ceiling close. Screen lit above her face. Engine below, a vibration in her back teeth. 40 minutes of satellite signal, starting now. 3 podcast episodes in the saved files, downloaded in Las Palmas before they left. She pressed download without knowing why. 1 earphone in, presses play. The voice says, Ndewo, no. Something in her chest does not break, just opens. Ndewo, no. I am Yvonne Chioma Mbanefo, heritage futurist and daughter of the soil. Welcome to Igbo Daily Drops, episode 25, week 5, day 5, Friday. Today, 3 questions that cross every ocean. Ka anyị bido. Let us begin. Eme ngwa ngwa, emeghara ọdachi. Act quickly and you will avoid disaster. Do not wait until the cloth is ruined to reach for the needle. The disaster that never arrives leaves no evidence. Only a woman on a dock in the dark, pressing download, doing the small unglamorous thing that keeps something alive. Today, kedu ihe ị na-eme? Ị na-amụ Igbo. Gịnị ka ọ na-eme? What are you doing? Are you learning Igbo? What is he or she doing? The grammar that turns inward attention outward. The moment you stop practicing alone and start speaking to someone. Nkwamma comes from Umueze-Okoha, Benue State, on the map. Igbo in every other way. The kitchen, the compound, her grandmother pouring libation and naming the ancestors. She has explained this her whole life. To students in Makurdi who gave her that look. Not hostile, just a pause about where to file her. The voice says, Kedu ihe ị na-eme? She mouths it in the dark. Her grandmother used it from the kitchen doorway, not as inquiry, as love. She has not been asked it in 11 days. What are you listening to? Marek above her, awake. Igbo, she says. It's teaching Igbo. But isn't that your language? She looks at the hook in the ceiling, welded there by someone for a reason nobody remembers. Yes, she says, and no, it's complicated. Can I hear? She holds the phone towards his bunk. Voice into the salt air. Diesel. Engine hum. Both listening. Ị na-amụ Igbo? Are you learning Igbo? What does that mean? Are you learning Igbo? She says. It's asking you. He laughs. Not mocking. Tell me something else. Gịnị ka ọ na-eme? What is he doing? What is she doing? She does not tell him this was her grandmother's sentence. What you asked about someone you could not reach. Checking from a distance when the line was broken. She doesn't need to. Emmanuel Emeka Nwoke of Ebonyi State University documented exactly this in the Scientific Research Journal 2019. Igbo sits in UNESCO's unsafe category of endangerment. Communities like Umueze Okoha, placed into non-Igbo states by colonial or political boundary making, are Igbo, without the administrative infrastructure of being Igbo. When the state does not name you, the language must. Network theorists call this peripheral node resilience. The nodes most exposed develop the strongest bonds. The periphery is not the weakest point. It is the most vigilant one. The disaster that never arrives leaves no record. Only a woman on a dock in the dark, pressing download. Now let's build your drops for today. Repeat after me. 1. Kedu ihe ị na-eme? What are you doing? Kedu ihe ị na-eme? Kedu ihe ị na-eme? 2. Ị na-amụ Igbo? Are you learning Igbo? Ị na-amụ Igbo? Ị na-amụ Igbo? 3. Gịnị ka ọ na-eme? What is he or she doing? Gịnị ka ọ na-eme? Gịnị ka ọ na-eme? Take this with you. Eme ngwa ngwa, emeghara ọdachi. Eme ngwa ngwa, emeghara ọdachi. Act quickly and you will avoid disaster. Do not wait for the tide to rise before you move to higher ground. Before this day ends, say kedu ihe ị na-eme to someone. Not to practice. The language already knows the person in front of you is worth the asking. Say kedu ihe ị na-eme today to someone who will not expect it in Igbo. Watch their face. Grab your free speaking workbook at learnibonow.com. If this episode found its way to you, rate us on wherever you're listening. Your review is how another learner finds their way home. Every sentence you learn is a drop, and every drop feeds Oke Osimiri Mmụta Igbo, the ocean of Igbo knowledge. This has been your Igbo Daily Drop. Abụ m nwanne gị nwanyị, Yvonne Chioma Mbanefo. I am your sister, Yvonne Chioma Mbanefo. Ka asụsụ gị dịrị ndụ n'ọnụ gị oge ọbụla. May your language live in your mouth always. Ka anyị hụ echi. Until we meet again tomorrow.